Just say when you're ready then.
Someone has to do it. You always sat there going, oh, AJ, hurry up.
I'm buzzing. Let's do this.
What are we doing?
Compliancy.
Oh.
Compliancy.
You're going to get all like, oh, you've got to be compliant with the law. Article 13, yawn.
Article 13.
Boring.
Happened yesterday.
Boring.
Let's do a big video on it.
Big video. Can we just keep it short?
I'm going to do like a top 5 be compliant. In this video, you're going to learn the top 5 things of how to be compliant with Article 13.
I don't think you can be compliant with Article 13. Basically, don't make anything on the internet. Or just, film wallpaper.
I've found some workarounds.
I've got it. This will be what YouTube looks like afterwards.
Sorry about that.
So you're saying it's going to be easy to make YouTube videos now?
It's not going to be easy.
Already, this is really dull because there's no music.
Well, music's the first issue I've got. If you're one of those that uses that... No, that's non-compliant, AJ.
So what, we've got to make our own?
That is one way around it.
I'm up for it. I mean, I don't really have much talent, neither do you.
Or time to make a song.
I reckon we can bust one out in about 10 seconds.
Ooh. I like that, I feel the beat.
Yeah? That's the theme tune. Go!
Article 13, it's not fair, but we don't care. Yeah, we're rocking to the beat. You're stomping your feet. Listen to our review, and we'll tell you how to.
Yeah.
You alright if I...
Yeah,
just 5 minutes?
30 seconds.
Try and take longer. So, you got something?
All done with the keyboard.
That's impressive. Okay, so that'll be the tune we'll use as the music bed for the grab and go review. I mean, would you use this in your video? That's one way of doing it.
Classic. Future #1 there as well. And if you're thinking of using that song, don't, because of Article 13. It's our song. Can't use it. No permission given.
Well, we should make it copyright free. Put a link for people to use it in their videos.
Do you think we can charge them for it?
Small charge.
There's a small, with just 10% of your future ad revenue.
For life.
Forever.
And your children's. And their children. Second on the list of our compliancy for Article 13 is branding. And you'll notice in the frame, we're not quite compliant. I'm branded here, I'm branded here, AJ is branded here, and branded here.
But I like this. It's a nice t-shirt.
It's not going to work post Article 13, and if you want to be compliant, you've got to think about product placement.
So they're going to have to get permission to have an Atari t-shirt on?
You would have to go to Atari and ask,
can I wear your t-shirt?
For the purpose of a video.
How do I get around it now? I cannot be bothered to do that.
I've got a solution. What I've cunningly prepared earlier is a bin bag.
Right.
Place the bin bag over, like so, and there. You'll notice now, there's no branding. And that's the branding covered up.
That's your solution, is it? Put me in a bin bag. So post Article 13, everyone's going to have to look like this.
Well, it's just a quick and easy way. It's really effective, and now you can see how to get a compliant shot. And that's how we deal with branding or product placement in our videos.
Okay, what's next? Because this is ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous, it's essential. Now, next up, we need to look at the type of topics we'll be able to cover post Article 13. Some very popular YouTube videos are product reviews.
Do I have to stay in this bin bag for your whole introduction?
It's kind of essential. AJ's grab and go reviews. How to be compliant post Article 13.
Still in the bin bag?
Still in the bin bag.
This is necessary.
That's important, yeah, and the watch. So we're pretty much compliant, and what I've done is I've covered over the item so to not breach any kind of copyright, product placement issues that could arise.
Right, can I say Canon?
No.
Every time I say Canon, you've got to beep it out.
Yeah, you'd obviously make life work if you could avoid saying it too much.
What about the model name? That as well?
Yeah, you can't mention that. So be
Right.
a bit more nondescript.
Not okay.
bit more generic in the approach. You know, think outside the box a little bit.
The 10.
Right,
That's
going to be an issue. That's going to be an issue.
Is this 3-year-old camera from the most underrated 4K camera on the market today?
Right, I'm not sure that you can say.
This is going to be really hard to review anything.
That's all right. Just try again.
Is this palm-sized camera from
No,
the most...
no, not from.
Not from...
Yeah, but you're doing good. We'll do another take.
Is this the most underrated 4K camera the have ever released?
Okay, I'll beep it out.
What made here is a really ergonomic handheld device. It's got a nice little flippy handle thing, and it's got a flippy screen thing.
That's fine.
Much like other cameras that this manufacturer have made. So in summary, I think it's good. That's been my grab and go review of this camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Okay.
I'm still in a bin bag.
Now, what we're going to be looking at is memes. Memes.
Memes.
Memes.
Memes.
We call them memes, but you probably have another name for them, and that's okay. In America, you say ridiculous things like route, and the problem is you don't have the copyright to use them. It's the image from a TV show that's very popular, like
The
a
Office.
box set of some. You
I can't say that.
Yeah, you.
What about Game of Thrones? Can I say that?
No, you can't say that.
I can't say it.
No, it would be like
Breaking Bad.
the season after autumn is coming. There's loads of them. You won't be able to use them, not even as a little comedy value moment in your video. What you're going to have to do is make your own ones. And we've come up with a few of our own.
Are we giving them permission to use these?
Yeah!
Alright.
Use ours. We should
Just drop them in.
Yeah!
All right.
Ready?
They were good.
I liked them.
Yeah, I mean,
It gives you a chance to be creative. Article 13 isn't all negative. We had fun making those. Number 5 in our list of how to be compliant with Article 13 is gaming.
oh, I love game like Stone Mountain.
The thing that most people love about gaming is you get to watch gamers that are going to be way better than you can ever be. So you sit there, you watch how they play the game. It's quite enjoyable. Normally their head is in the screen and the rest of the screen is copyright image.
So you can't play games anymore.
No, but we found a way that you can. And for this, I'm going to need you, AJ, as my example.
Again.
How to be compliant for gaming post Article 13. Okay, there's a few issues. You cannot mention the game you're playing. You cannot mention too much about what's going on in the game that could give the game away.
Right.
And what you see whilst playing,
Yeah.
I'm going to have to censor to some extent. But yeah, if you want to unpause the game and carry on.
All right. The great thing about this is the graphics, mainly. I'm a huge fan of the graphics in this new... Can I say what type of game it is?
No, you can't.
You know, the fact that it involves cars, vehicles that drive, and things that go in the air with weapons. I mean, it's everything I like in one game. It's amazing. I'm just worried that this might not be that engaging for people.
No, it's good, but if you could put more energy into it.
More drama.
Yeah.
If you want to get past this bit in this game, there's a little trick where you've got to press a combination of buttons in a certain order. I can't tell you that order or what buttons they are, but you've got to press some buttons. It's crazy.
Perfectly compliant. Well done.
Can I take the bin bag off yet?
No, keep the bin bag on, but that was a great example. I quite enjoyed that. It gave me a whole new take on what gaming could be.
Do you know what I have learned? Is that this bin bag is hot.
So there's been our top 5 hints and tips of how you can be compliant post Article 13.
So basically everything's going to be rubbish. You're going to have to dress in bin bags. You're going to have to game in front of blurred screens without any sound. You're going to have to make your own awful jingles, and tech reviews, you can't mention the brand name or show the brand product without their permission.
So basically there's a lot of workarounds that give you more creative opportunity to have fun.
I don't know if fun's the right word.
Well, that's been our tutorial for this week. We hope you've enjoyed it. We hope it's beneficial.
Definitely not.
And gives you an insight into the world of Article 13 and why it's an absolute cluster.
I was just going to say, we've just spent 10 minutes wasting their time, but then you drop the F-bomb and everything's right with the world again.
So well done, EU.
Thanks for that.
And
see you next time.
well done you for watching. And yeah.
Wait, can I get out the bin bag yet?
I just need to get some more close-ups of it. So just you stay like that for a minute, just so I can get some more shots.
Don't show my shoes, they're non-compliant.
Another video on the InGaff channel. Listen to our review. We're telling you how to.
Yeah. How to. Yeah. How to.
Oh. It's a free beat to stomp your feet. You can use it on your channel if you pay a fee. It's really cool, and I think you'll agree.